Okay, this is probably the worst it's ever been.
Yeah, it is.
But we're gonna see what it's like at your mom's house. This is the river that's flowing in front of John. He's got his boots on, but just going inside of them. Okay, we're saving his bike. I got my truck. Anyway, it's pretty bad. There's logs all up in the road. Did you get it? Okay. Hey, did you get Lisa's? Shut the power off? Okay. Anyway, I want you to see what it's like in front of your mom's house. I'm trying to... It's pretty bad. Oh my God. Water's up to my knees. I'm standing by the garage. It's pretty bad. Luckily it isn't flowing through the house, but if we open up the door, it would. So we just hope that it goes down. It's a river around here, to say the least. You can look down. That's my knees. That's how deep it is. Anyway, it is really cold, and I got to get out of this water because my knees are hurting. So, okay.